Tower 3301, disregard traffic.
Departure, good night.
Good night, ma'am. Bullshit 1597.
Turn 1 out of left, Joe Lima, 0.75.
Cut across, flight 9 left on Lima, 0.75, just slide, Delta 2684.
Delta 1971, top across, 1 out of left, on Lima, 0.75.
Papa John, Lima, 0.75,
Delta 2438, top across, 1 out of left, on Lima, 0.75.
Papa John left to Papa, over 175, Delta 2438.
And departure for Delta 1094.
Delta 1094, yes sir, good night, departure.
Good night, thanks.
Flight 7557 on Abroni, runway right, clear for takeoff. Clear takeoff, stay right on Abroni, 7557. Southwest 6614 on a runway right, on the way. Stay right on the way, Southwest 6614. For this?
Alright. About 2338, taxi by Vancouver.
Taxi to Delta 2338. 649, kind of departure, good night.
649, good day. 1708, runway 8 left, clear land.
On November, hold short of Papa.
Okay, crossing 9 right, and Sierra Charlie left on November, short of Papa, Delta 2449.
8 right, clear for takeoff, Southwest 5614. Delta 503 on a runway right, on the way.
Hey, right, line away, Delta.
Left on November, behind Southwest.
Now we're going 3 cross, right. Left on November, for Delta 50. Delta 1378, taxi by Vancouver.
Nicholas, Delta 1378.
Middle line.
Good line, 9 right, Delta 440.
On a runway right, on a flight. 9.8 right, now 2365.
Papa, and then request of 5 saddles, 94.
Delta 1376, the Papa cross, 1 out of left, on Lima, 0.75.
Heavy traffic, 3 miles. At the approach end, approximately left, give way to 1717 from the left, taxi runway 8 right.
Okay, clear to cross, 8 left at hotel, hold short of 8 right, give way to the 717, FedEx 7.48.
That's 2338, give way to FedEx at hotel.
Give way to FedEx at hotel, that's 2238.
FedEx 724, heavy change to tower frequency 125.32.
2532, FedEx 724.
So 85 heavy tower, 11708, runway 8 left, clear land. That was 2690, exit taxiway Bravo 11, taxi Vancouver.
Bravo 11, exit, category 503, kind of departure, good night. 503, good night. Delta 766, Arnav Ronnie, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff.
8 right, clear for takeoff, Arnav Ronnie, Delta 766.
Delta 1682, Atlanta Tower, runway 8 right, line of flight.
Delta 1682, line up and wait, runway right, 8 right. Delta 1705, Bernie for...
Delta 1705, line of tower, 1807, 1 out of right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 9 right, Delta 1705.
7 on out the widest, and we're now looking like 2 clear for takeoff. Still 1198, Atlanta Target, now looking like 2 on up and wait. For delay for entrail spacing, traffic will be downfield.
1198, runway 911.
5130, Atlanta Tower, 1809, coming out of right.
American 649, Atlanta Tower, runway 8 right, line of flight.
Line up way 8 right, American 629.
Delta 1261, kind of departure, good night.
Delta 1261, good day. American 2596. That's 3301, give way to FedEx, that hotel.
Delta 1971, Romeo 3, cross runway 9 right, turn left on November behind the company Airbus.
Cross 9 right, join November behind company Airbus, Delta 1971.
Delta 2684, company in November 2 is going to follow you.
Delta 2684, roger.
Endeavor 3514, pop across the 1 left, John Lima, 0.75.
And Papa Cross 9 West, Lima, 0.75, there, 3514.
438, grab 2.5 out, cross the 1 right, then turn left on November.
Right side right, left on November, Delta 2430.
Turn left on November, all quarter mile.
Left and over, quarter mile, Delta 12.
Denver 3301, disregard traffic. Sorry, good night.
Good night, man. We'll just take some medicine.
Coming out of left, John Lima, 0.75.
Going across line, 9 left on, Lima, 0.75, disregard, Delta 2681.
Delta 1971, pop across the 1 left, John Lima, 0.75.
Cross 9 Papa, join Lima, 0.75, 1971.
Delta 2438, pop across the 1 left, John Lima, 0.75.
Left side left to Papa, Delta 2675, Delta 2438. And departure for Delta 1094. Delta 1094, yes sir, good night, departure, good night.
Good night, thanks.
Flight 7557 on Aberoni, runway right, 30 seconds. Clear takeoff 8 right, on Aberoni, 7557. Southwest 6614 on a runway right, on the way. 8 right, right up away, Southwest 6614.
1000.
2338, taxi by the group.
Taxi goes to Delta 613. 649, kind of departure, good night.
649, good day.
Papa, pick up, Southwest 5, double left, go.
Delta 1376, pop across the 1 left, John Lima, 0.75.
Heavy traffic, 3 miles. That's the approach end. Approximately left. Give way to 1717 from the left. Taxi runway 8 right. Okay, clear to cross. Left is hotel. Hold short to your right. Give way to 1717. Give way to Give way to FedEx and hotel. FedEx 725. Change houses if you want 5.32. 2532. FedEx 724. 8500 pound and 1708, runway 8 left for land. That was 4690, exit recovery, Bravo left.